Hello, welcome to the Coffee Pod channel. Please do like and subscribe. Nearly about to hit 500 subscribers. Really appreciate that, because on today's video, we're going to be looking at another portable Nespresso machine. I've done two of these before, the Conquaco and the Outin, and you guys seem to really like it. So I've got hold of this one, and we're going to probably do 3 videos on this one. This one, I just want to open it up and see what I get in it, because it looks quite good. The second video, I'll go away for a couple of weeks, test it out as much as I can and give it a really good review, and I'll probably compare it most likely to the Outin and maybe the Conquaco if I get time as well. So let's go on and have a look at this, the Brevoy portable Nespresso machine. Right, so here it is then. This box is a bit posh. So we've got double shot and single shot ground coffee, great Nespresso, which is what I'm most interested in, self-heating, great, auto brew, rechargeable, IP6 waterproof, which basically means weatherproof, but you can't stick it in the sea. That's fine. First up though, the packaging is stellar. I mean, it looks amazing. So let's get it unboxed, shall we? Look at this. Look at this. Barista quality brew on every voyage. That's nice. There we are. So I chose it in the white. I think it uses other colours as well, but this one is the white one. Okay, so it feels in that quality. If you've got an Outin, it does feel in that same kind of matted quality of it. And then let's have a look what else we get. So I'm assuming this is the manual. Nice, very nice comprehensive manual on how to use all the bits. So the capsules, ground coffee, single, double, and then the extraction there, that's great. And then extras in the box. So this will be to mix up once you've got your coffee in the basket. USB-C charger. Happy to measure out your coffee. Has to measure out more of your coffee. This one is for your grounds. So there, like so. And then this one will be for your double shot. I assume that fits in there like so, yeah. So you're filling that there, putting that one in there. And that one goes with that one. And then we have a ring there to help you pour it in. So let's take this one. Putting it in there like that. So when you want to put your grounds in, you're going to put that on there like so. You're going to pour that in, and then you're going to tamp it down with that. Nice. And the USB-C is USB-C to USB-C. So if you want to do it onto an A, you're going to need an adapter for one end for plugging it into something like that. So here's the machine itself then. The lid. Say that? Yeah. Okay, so max 70/50 in there, which is standard. But the water goes down. Brevoy, your button. Now let's press that. Okay, so press that once and it will tell you your battery level, which is 3. In the review, I'm going to go and see how many I can get out of one charge. USB-C in there. That's how it's IP6, because the USB-C is covered up by a decent rubber flap, like that. And then down the bottom is the cap. It looks the same as the Outin with the, you've got to extract it to here and leaving that on there, but that doesn't look too bad when you've got it resting on there. Okay, there seems to be a bit of escape around there, but we'll see that in the review. And then take this off, because this should be for your Nespresso pod. It is, as you would expect. So I've got here a wonky coffee pod. Let's pop that in. Pop that in there. Start the machine. Now, this is the first time we're doing this. I probably won't be using this as a proper coffee, because it's literally the first time brewing it. I think you probably have to flush it through with a bit of water first time. So this is just for the video. So I would suggest if you're going to get one of these, flushing it through a few times first. Right. And then we're going to put in 70 mils of water into there, boiling water. Right. Up to the 70 mil mark, which is there, like that. Pop the lid on carefully, like so. And what we're going to do is just going to loosely put it onto the cup like that. Okay, so I'll try and put it on as loose as possible, like that. And then I'll assume hold down for a couple of seconds. There we go. green light telling me it's brewing. So if it's the same, it'll be up to 4 for when it gets to the heat, and because I put boiling water on, it goes in straight into the 4. And then let's have a look at it while it's extracting. Hey, look at that. That looks great. So if I just put this down here like so, see if you can see any vapour escaping here. Yeah, I think that's probably all of the water gone. So a quick look. A little bit left. Right, now let's take it off. Okay, not too bad, actually, not too bad at all. Let's put that to one side. Hey, check that out. That looks great. Okay, let's give it a taste test. Right, so the proof is in the pudding. This, I tell you what. Oh yeah, that looks great. I don't know if you can see that with the so-called creamer on these Nespresso pods. I know they're not, but look at that. That is excellent. That's top notch. That really is. I'm blown away by that. I think that's fantastic. Make sure if you get one, flush it through. Just to be safe, I just did that for the purposes of the video. I put it through. But even without that, that's cracking. I'm pleased with that. Really pleased with that. So that was my look at this end, the Brevoy portable Nespresso maker, or espresso maker if you include the grinds as well. First impressions, made a cracking espresso. We're well pleased with that out of the Nespresso pod. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go away. I'm going to do a full review on this one. So I'm going to put it through its paces, see how many shots we can get out of it. Try it with grinds, try it with the pods as well, see how we get on. But first impressions, absolutely blinding. Okay, I'll leave links down below where you can get hold of this, but give me a couple of weeks to go and have a look at this, go and test it. But if you are watching this in a couple of weeks, go and have a look, because I will have made a review on this. And as I said, I'm going to make a comparison review with my other portable espresso machines. Okay, very close to 500. Please like, please subscribe. Till the next video. Bye-bye.